Let's talk about something that affects every single person watching this, the cost of living. And most people have absolutely no idea what it actually means or how it's silently stealing their financial future. The cost of living is simply the total amount of money you need to maintain a basic standard of life. Your rent or mortgage, food, transport, utilities, healthcare, and everything in between. It sounds straightforward. It isn't. Here's what most people miss. Your cost of living isn't fixed. It moves, it creeps, it climbs, and it doesn't wait for your salary to catch up. That £1,000 in your pocket today? At just 5% inflation, which we've seen recently, in 10 years that same £1,000 only buys you £614 worth of goods. You didn't spend it, you didn't lose it. Inflation just quietly took 38% of its power while you weren't looking. Now here's where this gets critical. Housing is your biggest enemy. In most major cities, 30 to 35% of your income is consumed by where you sleep. Add food, transport, and utilities, and you could be at 60 to 70% of your income before you've even thought about saving or investing. That is the trap. That is why most people feel like they're working harder each year, but getting nowhere. So what do you do about it? First, know your actual number. Most people guess their monthly expenses. Write it down. Every direct debit, every subscription, every coffee. When you see it, it shocks you into action. Second, understand that location is leverage. The same salary in Manchester or Belfast buys you a completely different life to London. Cost of living arbitrage is a real strategy used by smart people. Third, your income must grow faster than inflation. If you're getting a 2% pay rise and inflation is running at 4%, you just took a pay cut. You didn't go backwards on paper, but in real terms you did. And finally, savings held in cash while inflation runs hot are not safe. They are slowly diminishing, which is exactly why we talk about investing. Because money that grows beats money that sits. Know your cost of living. Track it, fight it, and then build assets that grow faster than it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world.